Hello everyone. In this video, we have solved a nice factorial question. It is a math Olympiad question. X squared minus 3x factorial over 3 factorial times x 8 factorial is equal to 15. We will find out what is the value of x in this factorial question. So solution. Our question, it will be x to the power 2 minus 3x, and here is factorial over 3 factorial 8 factorial is equal to 15. This is our question. Now I multiply both sides by this value, so I can easily this expression, it will be x squared minus 3x, and here is factorial over 3 factorial 8 factorial times, and it will be 3 factorial and 8 factorial is equal to 15 times 3 factorial times 8 factorial. I multiply both sides by 3 factorial times 8 factorial. Now at this moment you can see this cancel out, this cancel out. We'll find out here is x squared minus 3x, and here is factorial is equal to, it will be 15. Here is 15 times 3 factorial times 8 factorial. Now at this moment if I evaluate this case, I can see this expression, it will be x squared minus 3x, and here is factorial is equal to 15. It will be 5 times 3, and here is 3 factorial, and this is 8 factorial. Now at this moment you can see here is x squared minus 3x, and here is factorial is equal to, and if I evaluate this 3 factorial, I can see it will be 5 times 3 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 8 factorial. We know that 3 factorial, it will be 3 times 2 times 1. Now here x squared minus 3x factorial is equal to, we know that 5 times 2, this 5, this 2, it will be 10, and this 3 it will be 9, and here is 8 factorial. Now you can see here is x squared minus 3x factorial is equal to, you know that n factorial, it will be n minus 1 factorial. So according to this law, I consider 10 times 9 times 8 factorial, it will be 10 factorial. Now here is factorial, this is factorial, so both sides here is factorial, so I cancel out. We'll find out here is a nice quadratic equation, x squared minus 3x is equal to 10. Now at this moment if I move on this 10 in this side, it will be x squared minus 3x and minus 10 is equal to 0. We know that 5 times 2 it will be 10. So if I do middle factor in this expression, it will be x squared minus 5x plus 2x and minus 10 is equal to 0. Now at this moment if I do middle factor, here we will find out here is a nice quadratic equation, it will be x squared minus 5x plus twice x minus 10 is equal to 0, and here is x is common, so this divide this, it will be x, this divide this, it will be 5 plus 2 is common, so it will be x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now you can easily here is x minus 5 is common, so it will be x plus 2 is equal to 0. So we'll find out here is two cases. Our first case is x minus 5 is equal to 0, and other case x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then you can see easily here is x is equal to 5, and here is x is equal to minus 2. So our final answer, we have find out the final answer, the value of x, it will be 5 and it will be minus 2. Let's verify our question. It will be x squared minus 3x factorial over 3 factorial and 8 factorial is equal to 15. This is our question, and here again x squared minus 3x over 3 factorial and 8 factorial, and here is 15. But first of all, we are find out here is x is equal to 5. So if I put this value in this expression, it will be 5 to the power 2, and here is 3 times 5, and here is factorial over 3 factorial and 8 factorial is equal to 15. Now you can see easily here 5 squared, it will be 25, minus 3 times 5, it will be 15, and here is factorial over 3 factorial and 8 factorial is equal to 15. Now at this moment you can see easily here is 10 factorial. Because of that 25 minus 15, it will be 10, and here is 3 factorial and 8 factorial is equal to 15. Now 10 factorial, you can see it will be 10 times 9 times 8 factorial. Because of that n factorial will be n minus 1 factorial, and here is 3 factorial and 8 factorial is equal to 15. Now you can see easily here is 8 factorial is cancel out, and we'll find out it is 3 factorial. It will be 3 times 2 times 1, and it will be 10 times 9. Now if I divide this value by this, it will be 3, and it will be this, it will be 5. Now you can see easily here is 5 times 3, it will be 15 is equal to 15. So left hand side and right hand side is equal. So you can see easily here is x is equal to 5. This is our right answer. But other expression here is x is equal to negative 2. So if I put this value in this expression, it will be minus 2 whole to the power 2, 3 times minus 2, and here is factorial over 3 factorial and 8 factorial is equal to 15. Now you can see here is minus 2. Power is even number, so it will be always positive. So it will be 4 plus minus minus, it will be plus, and 3 times 2 it will be 6, and here is 3 factorial and 8 factorial is equal to 15. Then you can see easily here here is factorial, and 4 plus 6 it will be 10 factorial over 3 factorial 8 factorial is equal to 15. So first of all, we are find out here is 10 factorial over 3 factorial and 8 factorial, it will be 15. So I can see easily it will be 15 is equal to 15. So left hand side and right hand side is equal. So x is equal to negative 2. This is also our right answer. Thank you all. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel for others interesting video. Goodbye. Take care.